Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve some more question for same chapter, retirement of partners. Some new point is coming in that question, as like that when the old partner decide the new profit sharing ratio, then we are going to calculate gaining ratio, and that goodwill will distributed in that gaining ratio. I think well clear this things you all. Only 2 or 3 new point is coming. Only 2 or 3 new change well between the admission and retirement treatment of accounting. 1, 2 type of goodwill, valuate and appearing goodwill distribute in all partners, and valuate goodwill. In that valuate goodwill we are going to calculate the ratio of retired partner, then that goodwill or retired partner goodwill distribute in remaining partner in his gaining ratio. After that we are going to make the simple capital account same way, all the things we are showing debit and credit, and then going to take the balance or difference amount of retired partner. If nothing is given in the question, to just transfer in loan, or given something about the question to cash pay like that, so just pay by cash, and other partners balance, and that balance go to the balance sheet. Okay beta, now I am going to start with question number beta
35.
that is 35. Okay, start the question beta.
Sameer, Yasmin and Saloni.
Sameer, Jasmine and Saloni. Jasmine and
Yasmin and Saloni.
yes, why Saloni? Okay,
Were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in ratio of 4:3:3.
4:3:3 is ratio. Okay,
On 31/3/2016, their balance sheet was as follows.
okay, that is given. Next point. Yes.
Debtors of rupees 4.
Okay, directly we are going to make the revaluation account. Revaluation account. Okay. Okay, revaluation account. Debtors, yes.
Debtors of rupees 4,000 will be written off as bad debts and a provision of 5% on debtors for bad and doubtful debts will be
It
maintained.
means to written off 4,000 and new provision. The debtor amount is
4,000.
the debtor amount back side. See in balance sheet. Inside 90,000.
20,000.
90,000 is given. 90,000 less 4,000, 86,000. 5% of 86,000, 4,300. It means total needed provision and written off 8,400. But in the same question they are given 10,000 old provision, new needed 8,300, but we have 10,000 provision. It means more provision we have, decrease the provision is profit. Then we are showing on that side by provision difference amount, that 1,700. These all I am written why, then we are easily understand what we are going to do on this case. Provision 4,000 less that provision for 90,000. I think remember in first year in balance sheet you are seeing these things. So that remaining amount is 8,600. 5% 4,300. Total amount needed provision 8,300, but we have already provision 10,000. It means profit 1,700. Okay. Next.
An unrecorded creditor of 20,000 will be recorded.
Creditor. Unrecorded creditor. It means loss. Liability. Liability increase. Amount.
Creditor
Unrecorded creditor amount
20,000.
20. So beta, liability increase means debit side. Next.
Yes. Which will come out.
Back side.
1,10,000.
Back side. Instructions.
Instructions. Patents will be completely written off and 5% depreciation will be charged on stock, machinery and building.
Stock, machinery or
Building.
5%. First patent amount is back side. See the back side. Patent amount 60,000.
60,000.
Okay. Stock value
Stock value 1 lakh.
1 lakh. 5% 5,000. Machinery value
3 lakh.
5% 15,000. Building value
2 lakh.
5%. Okay, beta, clear? On this three, I think very clear, beta. Patent valueless. So all amounts showing here. Decrease in assets. So on the debit side, is stock depreciate by 5%. 5,000. Machinery depreciate by 5%. 15,000. Building depreciate by 5%. 10,000. Okay. Nothing else. Then total 60,000. 1 lakh 10,000. This side 1 lakh 10,000. Then loss 1 lakh 8,300. Divide in the partner S, Y and SA. 4:3:3. Just divide this amount. Yes. What is using the other letter? 1 lakh 8,300. 4/10. Next 3 and next 3. Okay. First upon 10. Cut the 0. Then multiply by 3. Then amount is beta 0 3:3 9 4 2 3 3 2 4 90 and 0 2 1 is remain 32 133. Okay. 4:3 12 1 is remain 32 133 3 is remain then 3 and 4 is remain. Okay, clear? Then rub these things that we are using for the multiplication, then rough, and then we are going to make the capital account. Okay, up to this is clear or not? Up to this is clear or not? Clear na?
एक मिनट
Okay, clear now? Now we are going to make the capital account. Okay, beta? $33. What? 35 is there?
क्वेश्चन नंबर
Okay. Then go for the capital account. Okay. In this capital account, we are going to show all the heads S, Y, S, A. First, we are going to show by balance BD. Okay, beta? By balance BD. Let us come by the book. This side loss to revaluation 43,320, 32,490, 32,490. Okay, beta? Up to this is clear or not? Clear? Okay. Then next.
Yes. Yasmin and Saloni will share future profits in ratio of 3:2.
Okay. They are saying Yasmin and Saloni just calculating that future profit in 3:2. Okay? 3:2. It means we are going to calculate gaining ratio. It's 3:2. Then calculate the gaining ratio. New minus old. Yasmin and Saloni. Yasmin and Saloni. Okay. It means Y and SA 3:2. 3/5 minus old 3/10 for Yasmin, for Saloni 2/5 minus 3/10. Okay, just see, it's a 10, 6 minus 3, and here 10, 4 minus 3, it means 3:1. Okay, beta? 3:1. It's 3:1. Okay, it means the goodwill of retired partner will distributed in 3:1. Okay, then we are going to see goodwill of the firm on the retirement valued 5,40,000. That is 5,40,000. Then go for calculate. 5,40,000 is total. First 4/10, it means 0,006. 1 is remain. Okay, 21,000. 4/10, 2,16,000. This amount distributed in 3:1. 3:1, it means 2,16,000 into 3/4 and 2,16,000 into 1/4. 5 times, 4 times, 54. 0,001. Okay, it means goodwill 162 and this side 54. Okay, 162 and 54. Then entry I think well known about the entry beta. Entry is Y David asset debit to S. In S 216, Y 162 and this 54. Now we are going to posting these all. Okay, first tell the balance, first the capital. See the right side, yes, capital.
Capital Samir 3 lakh.
3 lakh.
Yasmin 2,50,000.
250.
Saloni 1,50,000.
150. Okay, then by Y capital, Saloni capital in S 162.54 and this side 2S capital 162 and 54. Okay, clear? Then just see in balance sheet any type of reserve, fund, workman compensation is given. Just see capital reserve and profit and loss is given. Okay, just with this capital general reserve
60,000.
by General reserve always distributed the credit side. Amount
60,000.
60,000 distribute in 4:3:3. 10, 6,000. 16, 80, 24, 18 and 18. Okay, 24, 18 and 18. Then profit and loss given the asset side. PL amount is profit and loss account, asset side.
Cash.
Don't say.
Around 50,000.
50,000 distributed this way. 20,000, 15,000 and 15,000. Anything else? Nothing else is there? Any adjustment? Any other adjustment is given? I think no. Nothing. Now we are going to close the account. This side 1,50,000, 18,000, 168. Okay, take the difference. 10, 5. Okay, 10. 1 is remain. 3, 7, 5, 12, 6. 1 is remain. 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 6. Let's see. Balance of capital. Only Samir loan is given, no problem. Okay, it's balance. Go for this. Directly go for Samir now. 3 lakh and this 2 lakh, 5 lakh 16,000 and 24. 5 lakh 16,000 and 24, 540. 540. Here, 540. Okay? 540 is there. Then take the difference. This total is 540. 806. Okay, 0, 1 remain. 4, again 6. Again 1 remain. 4, 5, 7. 7 and 7. 14, 1 remain. 47, 6 is 80. Okay, it's coming. 47, 6 is 80. 47, 6, 6, 8, 0. It's a loan to loan. Okay, take the balance of this also. 2 lakh 68,000. 2 lakh 68,000. Take the difference. Okay, beta. Here 103. 1 is remain. 9, 110, 8, 1 is remain. 10, 111, 5, 1 is remain. 112. Okay. And in this question, we are not going to make the balance sheet because they are only telling about the answer. Just calculate the loan of S. Okay, beta? Clear this question or not? Clear? Clear this question, beta? On this way we are solving the questions. Only new thing is coming of this. So we are going to calculate what? So we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio. Okay? So we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio. Here goodwill entry. All thing is clear? All thing is clear? Okay? Now I am going for one more question. One more question. Okay. One more question. Before that, again I like to explain these things. One new trick is for this provision, because you have the old provision 10,000, new provision totaling 4,000 and 4,300 total needed 8,300 we have, but we have 10,000, so we are got the profit 1,700. And other to only depreciation one, this is unforeseen liabilities. I think no problem about the unforeseen liability. We'll know about the unforeseen liability beta. And the capital and the calculation of loan, calculation of goodwill. I think this is all clear for you or not? It's clear na beta? On this way we are going to calculate the loan. If in the same case any type of other information as like that cash, pay in cash or any other thing is given, then we are going to utilize that all information in the questions. Okay beta, but nothing is given for that things, so we are not going to utilize. Now we are going for the one more question. Okay, question number okay, we are directly going for the question number 36. Just ignore the 36, go for the 35, 37. Okay. Okay, clear? Just ignore one question, that will go for the 37. Go for the question number 37. Okay, beta? 37. Just see the question. X, Y, Z are the partners. Ratio is 5:3:2. Z retired. Balance sheet is given. Land and building appreciate by 5%. Okay. These all things is given. Okay, beta. So we are going to start the question. First, you all are to read for your own self. Then you are easily understand what type of a step I will take for the solving of this question without the knowing of question. You cannot able to solve the question better. Okay, now start the question.
X, Y and Z were partners.
X, Y and Z are the partners. Okay,
Sharing profits in 5:3:2 ratio.
okay,
On 31st March 2020, Z retired from the firm. On the date of Z's retirement, the balance sheet of the firm was as follows.
okay. Go for the next information.
Land and building.
Okay, it means we are directly go for the revaluation account. Okay, beta? Directly go for the revaluation account, because all the information is given in the question that is related with the revaluation account. Okay, beta? Okay, start.
Land and building will be appreciated by 5% and furniture will be.
Land and building appreciate. Appreciate means increase. Increase means credit side. Increase means credit side. By land and building. The value of land and building is
Land and building 2 lakhs.
2 lakh. 5%, 10,000. Okay, next. Land and building then?
Land and building or furniture will be depreciated by 20%.
Land and building appreciated and furniture will be depreciated 20% and furniture value is 87,500. 87,500. Furniture value is 87,000. 87,500. Just see the furniture value.
Furniture value 87,500.
It's depreciate. Depreciate means 87,500. 20%. Okay? 20% depreciate. Cut the double zero. 0, 0. 1 is remain. 5. 1 is remain. 16,500. Okay, next.
Provision of doubtful debts were made at 5% on debtors and provision for legal claims will be made
Provision.
60,000.
For legal claim is 60,000.
No,
Okay, and provision for doubtful debts is 5%.
5% on debtors.
Just tell the amount of debtors.
20,000.
Inner side 20,000 and old provision 500. 20,000. 20,000, 5% of 20,000 beta. 1,500 already given in the question. It means only needed. New is 500. Okay. New is 500. Okay, beta. Clear? New is 500 only. Oh. Anything else?
Goodwill of the firm was
Okay,
valued.
nothing. No means of this goodwill. Here only. Goodwill we are not going to take in this revaluation beta. I think we'll remember these things. Goodwill is utilized for the calculation of part of goodwill of retired partner. Okay, then 0, 0, 0, 7, 7. Answer is loss on revaluation. Legal claim is given in the balance sheet. Beta. Legal claim is given in the balance sheet. 57,500. No? Legal claim. Okay. Then we are not showing 60,000. Legal claim is given 57,500. Okay. 57,500 new 60,000. It means 2,500. Okay, beta. Only we needed 2,500. Okay. Then 0, 0 and 5. 1 is remain 9. 1 loss amount is
Loss.
answer. 10,500. Okay. Provision 1,000, legal expense 57,500, but new is 60,000 is okay. Goodwill 5% on doubtful debts and provision for it's a 20%. It's a 7. Okay, then 0, 2. Okay, then 20500, 10,500. That is loss by loss and divide in X, Y, and Z. Divide in X, Y, and Z. 232. It means 00 divide by 10, 1050, 2 times 2100, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3. Okay, 5 times 0, 5, 2, 5. Okay? Okay? Clear? It's clear, beta? Okay. Now going for the next. Distribute this, then go for the capital account. Okay. In this capital account, 3 partners is there. Name X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Then first buy balance. BD, tell the capital.
Capital X. X 1,27,000.
27,000. Y,
90,000.
90,000.
Z 71,000.
71. Okay, then no profit, loss is there. Then 2 revaluation 52, 50, 31, 50, 21. Okay, then see any type of reserve, general reserve, fund, anything is given in the question or not. Just see liability side, nothing. Asset side, nothing is here. Okay, then directly treat the goodwill. Goodwill amount, beta. Goodwill in instructions. Last instructions.
Instruction. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 60,000.
60,000. Calculate the Z share. 60,000 into 2 upon 10. It means 12,000. Okay. Distribute this 12,000. It's 5:3. Because new profit sharing ratio is not given, beta. New profit sharing ratio is not given. Capital account, partners account, and only balance sheet. New profit set and retire the balance sheet of this. No, it's nothing there. So directly distribute this amount in 5:3. Divide by 8. 12,000 divided by 8. 1 time, 5 time. Okay, beta? 1,500. Clear? 15 and 8 to 5. 75, 3, 45. Okay? Clear? Then entry. I think we'll remember the entry. Just see again. Entry is who is retired? Z. X capital, Y capital to Z capital, Z 12,000. Okay? 7,500 and 4,500. Okay? Then right here by X capital, by Y capital in Z, 7,500, 4,500 here to Z capital, 7,500, 4,500. Okay? Nothing else is there. Then directly we are going to calculate the balancing amount. First for Z, 0, 0, 0, 1 is remain, 7, 8, 12, 3, 1 is remain, 83, 1,000, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 8. The loan of Z is the balancing amount paid to Z 70,000 we are going to pay. Okay, beta? In the question they are given 70,000. It means 2 cash. 70,000. Then loan is 10,900. Just see, loan amount is 10,000 is coming or not?
Loan.
Yes. Answer, in answer.
Yes, sir.
Z loan. Coming up, beta? Then totaling and take the balance. 2 balance CD. This side 50. 1 is remain. 6, 7, 3. 1 is remain. 8, 2. 1 is remain. 8. Okay, this side 502. 502. 1 is remain. 7, 5, 12, 13, 4, 1 is remain, 1, 1. Okay, the amount of 114,250, 82350. Okay, it's coming, beta? Clear? Coming? Okay, now going for the balance sheet. Just see. See the balance sheet, only the balance sheet is remaining. Only balance sheet is remaining, beta. I think other thing is clear. Then I am going for the balance sheet. Okay. Let's start with the balance sheet. Okay. Let's start with the capital.
Capital amount.
X and Y. Just see here. 11, 4, 250, 82, 350, and loan amount 10, 900, 006. Okay, 006, 8, 006 and 6, sorry, 8. 006, 6, 9, 1. Okay, any other thing given in this side, liability side?
Liability side.
Yes.
Credit.
Other thing?
Creditors, bill payable.
Creditor amount
27,000.
27,000.
Payable bills.
BP amount
13,000.
13.
13.
Okay, then legal
Outside rent.
legal charge na? Legal charge 60,000.
Legal claims 57,000.
Okay, anything else?
Outstanding rent 22,500.
Outstanding rent 20.
22,500.
Okay, anything else? Nothing. Then add this side 0, 0 and again 0. Okay, 0, 0, 9 and 6, 15 and 5, 20, 2, 6, 10, 16 and 2, 18, 2, 0, again 2, 9, 10, 12, 13, 19, 21, 23, 2, 3. What amount is coming? 3,89,000. Something else is there. Some more thing is there. Creditor 27,000. Bill payable 13,000 and outstanding rent 22,500. Legal charge 60,000. Three lakh 70,000 we are going to pay. Okay, okay. It will come. Don't worry. One 92, 2 lakh 20,000, 3 lakh 10,000. Okay, outstanding liabilities, outstanding rent, legal charge, and he is going to pay the amount of Z 10,900. Is 27,000? Again, all amount.
It was 27,000.
Okay.
Bill paid by 30,000.
13 or 30?
13, 1 3.
Okay, next. Legal charge 60,000 outside even?
57,500.
Just outside 6,000. Outstanding rent?
22,500.
22,500. Okay. Then it's 80. Some more amount is there. That's needed. First we are going for the asset side beta, and then capital account will be 70,000 for the jet. Capital account will be transferred to the loan account. Just opposite I am doing. Oh, sorry. 70,000 is going in the loan account. This amount is cash. Loan is 70,000 beta. Okay, and this amount is utilizing as a cash. Just we are taking some space. 10,900 to cash. Okay, now it's came 001. Okay, third line 6, 16 and 2 8, 1 10 20 8 3. It's coming. Three eight nine 10 38,910. Okay, one is given 6, 16 to 18, one is given 19. Okay, come up this side.
Assets.
Cash amount is
Bank cash
cash or bank both are same.
80,000.
80,000 less 10,900 we are going to pay. It means 0019. Okay, 0019 and 6. Okay, next.
Debtors 20,000.
Debtors
20,000.
20,000. 5,000 more. In the question they are saying 5%. It means 1,000. So 20,000 less 1,000. It means 19,000. Okay, next. Next.
Stock 21,000.
21,000. And furniture
87,500.
87,000.
500.
Okay, next.
Land and building 2 lakhs.
Land and building
2 lakhs.
2 lakh. Okay, only this. Okay, some adjustment is there beta, revaluation adjustment. So land and building appreciate by 5%. Land and building appreciate by 5%. It means 10,000. It means 2 lakh 10,000. Okay, furniture will be depreciated by 20%. The amount is less 17,500. It means 60,000. And stock, what about the stock? Any change in stock? Land will be depreciated, furniture will be depreciated, provision. Okay, no stock is there. Nothing is given about the stock. Just see 001. $2,10,000. Okay, 60,000. That provision 5%. Land building appreciate by 5%. 10,000. Stock 21,000. Okay, that stock I am happy. 21,000. Okay, that stock is 21,000. Then 00 99 18 8 9, and then next 6 6 12 12 and 2 14 to 16 to 18 1 3. Okay, it's came like that. And just taking the calculation inside of balance sheet, plus and minus, it's less, provision less, depreciation less, appreciation plus. Okay beta, on this way we are going to solve the question. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.